Welcome to Italiam. Italiam is about showing people how to cook Italian food. Today I will show you how to make pizza, and this pizza, I call it lazy pizza because it's so easy to do that you will be amazed. It's not the thin pizza you can have in an Italian pizzeria, but it's a quite common pizza you can have in South Italy, Central Italy, especially in rural areas. So let's do it. Okay, now I'll show you how to prepare the pizza dough. First of all, we need some lukewarm water, 380 milliliters. Okay, beside this jar we start to put some sugar. There you go. And stir. Quantity of sugar is 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we take fresh yeast, okay, 20 grams, and we break the yeast, okay, into the jar. Very easy. And again we stir, okay, so we melt the yeast, and that's it. Now flour, 600 grams of flour, Italian type 00, the best for pizza. Fix the bowl into the mixer. We take half tablespoon of salt, okay, and now we can start. Slow speed. Okay, now we add the water, not all the water, just half of it. We set this to the number 1. Okay, too steep, so we add more water. Water again. Now we add 60 milliliters of olive oil. Into the bowl. And now we let the mixer to work for 5 minutes. Okay, we take the dough out. As you can see, this is a very soft dough with a high content of water, and this is exactly what I need for this kind of pizza. Okay, this is not a kind of dough you need to knead. Okay, it's very difficult to handle, but I will show you now how to do it. With 600 grams of flour, we can probably make 3 tins. Okay, olive oil. I will put some olive oil in each tin. Be generous. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now, the dough is very soft, so there's no way I can touch it without getting oily. So, hand in the oil, and I take the first part of dough, very soft. And now I spread the dough inside the tin. Okay, in this way. Okay, press down and stretch. Don't worry about the oil. Okay, so this one is the first one. Okay, now here is the second tin. There you go. And we spread. Nice and gentle. Okay, don't worry, if you have any holes here, you can patch the hole like that. Very easy. This is like playing with a Play-Doh. My kids would love it. Another bit. Need more. Okay, and we spread. There you go. Until it's as wide as the tin. Now, the third tin. Again, we repeat exactly what we did before with the other 2. We spread the dough inside the tin. Can you see all this olive oil? Don't worry. Okay, you need to be generous with the olive oil. The olive oil will be absorbed after, during the rising of the dough. So, you need really to cover all the surface with olive oil. This will make also the pizza very crispy. Now we need to rise the dough. You have a couple of options here. The first option, if the kitchen is very warm, is just to cover with a kitchen towel and leave it for 2 hours. Even better, using cling films. The second option, if it's quite cold, draft, you open the oven off, you start to put your tin inside here, 1, 2, and the third one here, and now the trick. You boil the kettle, and the bottom you put some boiled water. This water will create a nice, warm and moist environment, which will help the dough to rise. And now, like that, oven off, leave it for 2 hours, do something else.